One, go.
Hi, welcome to Taste Test Gay. Today we're taste testing different Coca-Cola coffees. So we got the different colas. We got dark blend. We got mocha. We got the caramel. And the vanilla. So we're gonna start with the dark blend and we're gonna see how they taste. Coca-Cola coffee. Whew. It smells like it smells like what you'd think like a dark roast with a little hint of Coca-Cola. Yeah, it tastes kind of like a mix of coffee and Coca-Cola. That's not really descriptive. It's got like that coffee taste, but it doesn't have that like tangy or that thing that makes it. It's kind of sweet. It's like.
Does it smell like dirt?
It's like kind of. It doesn't smell like dirt. It smells like dark roast coffee, kind of. But it smells kind of like. It tastes kind of like coffee, but without that weird taste. That weird aftertaste.
You mean the bitterness?
Yeah, bitterness.
Okay, what do you rate it?
I think it's really good. I like the darkness. The dark blend to it. It smells really good. I'm gonna give it
1 to 10. Pick a number.
I don't know. It's hard. I'm just thinking.
You're gonna take the whole camera until you figure it out.
I'm gonna give it 8.5. It's really good, but I don't want to give it a 10 yet because the other ones might be better.
Okay.
And I don't think it's ready for 10. Alright, now is the mocha. Let's see.
You love
Woo!
that sound, don't you?
Yeah. It smells kind of like it smells kind of like misty, like mystical, like in a magic forest.
A magical coffee drink?
No, it's alright. It smells kind of like mist, coffee mist. Alright. Tastes good. Kind of like, again, this is like mist, like misty.
How does mist taste? Does it taste like mysterious, dreamy?
Not mysterious, like
Sweet?
I don't know. It's,
Sour? Is it umami?
I don't know what that is.
That's like savory.
It's kind of. It's like a light, sweet taste.
Okay, which one's better? Or what do you rate it?
I think I'm going to give it a 7.
Not as good. Okay.
No. I do like this better, but this one's also really good. Alright, next is the caramel.
Caramel?
Woo! I like caramel. That's really good. Oh, gotta smell it. Yes, got like a caramel. It doesn't really smell like anything.
Does it smell like Coke?
No, I just don't smell.
That's weird.
It's got like a hint of caramel. It tastes like a caramely Coke. Like if you just put some caramel flavoring in Coke. I don't know how to describe it.
Does it taste the way it sounds?
Yeah, it's just Coke with caramel in it.
What does it taste? What's it rated?
I'm gonna give that a 7.5. Actually, I think I like that a little bit more than the mocha. Next and last is vanilla, which is actually my favorite ice cream flavor. Woo!
Is that rich?
Smells like kind of like an ice creamy, like ice cream, vanilla ice cream, but with more vanilla. It tastes like vanilla Coke, but like with a hint of that coffee. A hint of coffee.
Is the coffee hint bitter or is it just coffee?
It's like, I think it's just coffee, not bitter.
Okay.
It's like Coca-Cola, coffee, and vanilla all together.
Alright, what do you rate it?
I don't know if it's. Let me try. I think it is.
You got 8.5, 7, 7.5. Now you gotta rate the last one.
I think it's a 7.5. Same as caramel.
Okay, so the winner is the dark.
Yeah,
roast?
dark blend. And mocha wasn't as good as all of them, but still kind of good. It's kind of missed. I don't know. And these were tied. They both kind of taste kind of similar, but but they both have like kind of different tastes at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah, they're different, but they're also a little similar. Like they both have that coffee hint, a hint of coffee, while this has like good amount of coffee. This has like just, I don't know. Tastes like weird to me a little bit. Got something in my eye, I think. Alright, yeah. They're all really good. Don't worry, we're gonna drink them all. But
You
yeah.
will drink them all because no one else likes them.
No, I'm gonna share them with the family, but yeah. Anyways, that's Taste Tester Gabe. See you next time. Bye!